Choosing the right dog food for your budget can often be difficult. There are so many brands to consider. Fortunately, we regularly review the most popular brands and publish dog food ratings to help you make the right buying decision. You can find all reviews below. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in dog foods. Today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dog foods review. We've scoured the internet, tested everything out for ourselves, and narrowed down the best of the best to bring you our top 5 dog foods. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your dog foods or just want to stay in the know, this video is for you. If you want to check the products, please check the description. Number 1. The Honest Kitchen Human-Grade Grain Dog Food. There are no official rules defining what human dog food entails, but the term is most commonly used to refer to food that is stored, handled, and transported in the same way that humans can eat it. However, human grade does not automatically mean that a food has adequate nutrient levels, so it's important that it also meets the AAFCO guidelines. The Honest Kitchen is one of the leading brands of human-friendly dog food. Number 2. Hill's Science Diet Dry Dog Food. Hill's Science Diet is another Dr. Frioni-approved brand and is particularly popular with those who prefer to feed their dogs wet food. The brand offers an impressive range of wet dog foods, including formula for puppies, adults, and seniors, as well as a line of prescription dog foods for dogs with special medical conditions. Number 3. Biljack Frozen Dog Food. If your pet tends to snort up on regular food, you can feed him Biljack, which has a unique mild formula that many dogs love. The brand makes dry food, wet food, and even frozen food, and has a special line for discerning dogs called Picky No More. Biljack offers a variety of dog food formulas for small, medium, and large breeds, as well as food for puppies and seniors. Number 4. Merrick Grain Dry Dog Food. Former Select magazine editor Morgan Greenwald said she fed Merrick's salmon and sweet potato diet to Susie, a 1-year-old pit bull mix, because she couldn't tolerate other types of protein. She swallows it and she's good at it. Her vet said we should avoid chicken and she has a sensitive stomach, so I'm sticking with salmon, Greenwald added. Good for your dog's digestion. Number 5. Purina Pro Stomach Dog Food. Some puppies are touchy to positive meals ingredients that may result in moderate itching, free stools, occasional vomiting, and different symptoms. Investing in a canine meals formulated for puppies with touchy stomachs and pores and skin can assist reduce those issues. This alternative from Purina is crafted without corn, wheat, or soy to make it extra effortlessly digestible for puppies with an intolerance to those ingredients. And there you have it, our top 5 best dog foods. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision and find the perfect dog foods to fit your needs. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comments section. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.